still not solid in your thoughts about him being everything that you need, why would I release that to you for you to wonder and run off with that? Why would I release that to you when you're not maturing enough yet to handle that? God is a protecting God. He's a covering God. God watches over us. God is not going to allow us in this season to be deceived by our own ones. Somebody ought to get this in the spirit. I said, God in this season is not going to allow us to be even deceived by our own ones. Help me, God. He'll open his mouth. And the Bible says that he then has to go and get the sheep. Because it's not that the sheep didn't want to be home, but the sheep just didn't know how to get back home. How many of you can wander off so much from the house of God that you don't know how to get back to his house? I can't get help. But God, because he's such a loving Father, and he's my God and he's your God, the Bible says that he'll leave all the 99 and he'll go get that one. Has anybody ever felt like you were the one? Has anybody ever felt like you were the one? One out. Has anybody ever felt like you were detached? Has anybody ever felt like you were separated? Has anybody ever felt like, wow, that you were not where you needed to be in God? Has anybody ever felt like that I don't know where I am right now in my life? Does anybody has anybody ever been? Have you ever been the one where God had to leave the others just to come, just to bring you back? Yes. Now let me say this. Let me say this because he leaves the 99 and he goes and gets the one. But how many of you know that one comes back with him? Come on! Somebody gonna catch that now. Come on! Woo! I said when the shepherd comes to get you, you need to go with the shepherd. God, are you ready to go right now? I'm still having my fun in the sun. Are you ready to go right now? I'm still enjoying the sin that I'm in. I'm not ready to go with you right now. I'm still master of my own self. I'm not ready right now, Lord. Can you come back and get me maybe 2 weeks later? I'm still enjoying this life. I said it will behoove you that when the shepherd opens his mouth and they hear the voice of God and the sound of God, that you come back, come back with the shepherd. Says that the sheep, they do follow him. The sheep will follow him. The Bible says that he goes and get the sheep. It didn't say he go and get no goat. How many of you know this? How many of you know that goats, that when the shepherd calls, you ignoring the call? That when the shepherd calls, come on, you're putting the phone on side. I said when the shepherd calls, well, Lord, I pretend like I don't hear the call. Oh, if God had text message back then. Oh, if God had Facebook back then. I said if God had social media, back then, and he would see me styling and profiling all on my Instagram page, and he would see you all on your Facebook, baby. Oh, he can see that you read his inbox message, but you refuse to respond to the message of the shepherd. Oh, if only God had technology of that kind in his day. In present day truth, when the shepherd comes to get you, go with the shepherd. Because the shepherd is trying to protect us from ravenous wolves. The shepherd is trying to protect us from hirelings. Those that when you get in trouble, they're going to be the first one out of here. When you get in trouble, they're going to be first one scattering. Come on, somebody. I can't get no help. That the shepherd's voice is the voice of guidance. The shepherd's voice is a voice of direction. The shepherd's voice is a voice of protection. The shepherd's voice is a voice, oh glory to God, that will keep us from hurt, harm, and danger. And so God begins to speak a language that we ought to understand. How many know that God teaches, trains, and develops us, glory to God, through his sound? How many of you remember when you first got saved? Oh Lord, and it seemed like God was doing all kinds of things. And you just knew that was God. Oh Lord, oh Lord. And but then there came a day when you said, well, where is God? God don't speak to me like he used to. Has anybody ever been there? That God used to speak and you used to hear him loud and clear. You heard him through a message. You heard him through his word. You heard him through a situation. You heard him in the night. You heard him while you're yet sleeping. And you heard him in a vision and a dream. But now, oh Lord, where are you now? Has anybody ever been there? God, where are you now? God, where is your voice now? I'm in a place where I need to hear your voice now. I need to know that it is your voice, that it is your sound. Has anybody ever been there? Has anybody ever been there? Have you? Well, when you first got saved, or that you saved 20 years down the road, have you ever been there? Lord, I know I've been there.
Me too.
I know I've been there. Remember the other when I